That's it. You have perfect eyebrows. For today's video, I'm going to share with you how I do my eyebrows. So if you are interested to learn how I do it, please keep on watching. First step to fix your eyebrows is, of course, you have to have an eyebrow pencil. So I'm using an eyebrow pencil from Nishido, and the shade is hazelnut. So that's the shade, hazelnut. Color brown lang siya. Let's start. Dito muna tayo sa side na to. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just tracing the bottom of my eyebrows using the eyebrow pencil and just running through the pencil all the way to the tail of my eyebrow. And then I'll just do the same on top of the eyebrow, and when it reaches the arch of my eyebrow, I'll just stop there and just connect the bottom and the top lines there. And then of course, after doing that, you just have to fill in the center with also the same product and just fill in all the blank spaces using the eyebrow pencil. On the beginning or the head of your eyebrow, you just do the upward stroke to create a more natural look. So use a spoolie to comb your eyebrows. You can also use the other side of your spoolie, I don't know what this is called, just to brush off any excess eyebrow pencil. Another way to clean the edges of your eyebrows is to put concealer. We can put concealer, just a little. So just spread out the concealer until up to your eyebrows or eyelids. And then you can blend it with a sponge. So we're done with this side. We now move to this side. So, i-clean lagyan ulit natin ng concealer para malinis siya. Yan po talaga yung ganun po talaga ang struggle ng pagkikilay. Laging hindi pantay. Alright, so you can always use concealer to correct your mistakes. Not in your life, but the mistakes that you've made with your eyebrows. So if it's not even with the other eyebrow, then you can use concealer to even it out. That's it. You have perfect eyebrows. Alright, so there you have it. Now you know how I do my eyebrows, and I hope you find the video helpful, and let me know if you're able to follow the steps that I've shown you earlier. So if you find this video helpful and entertaining and interesting, I hope you leave a thumbs up and let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and hit that bell notification icon so that you'll get notified every time I post a new video. So I hope to see you again on my next vlog. Bye!